Oh.
What's this?
Good morning.
They're chalk blocks, so you get to write on them with like chalk and stuff like that.
Oh.
They wipe them.
I've never seen such a thing.
My mom, she's a nanny, so
Yeah.
she has all the toys that she doesn't want anymore, so, and that was one that she found. So, yeah, I think one's like silver and one too. Yeah, so just like wipes off.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
So,
That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool.
use your imagination with that one.
Has it been busy today?
So far, yeah.
Yeah. You're like, I was surprised.
7 a.m. Yeah, I was. Wasn't expecting anyone to be up that early.
Definitely Ryan's land.
You have a YouTube channel?
My husband does. He's at work today, can you tell? Can I take these? But I want them.
Right.
Ooh. I don't know what I can put them on.
I can hold them, friend.
Oh, okay.
Now he's got to hang them up, so now he's really not going to like it.
He's the one who says the walls are bare.
Yeah. Well then.
So he might like it.
There
but...
you go. Just paint them up and you're good.
Right? Right? Thank you. You too. Oh, you make me smile. Alright, so this one wasn't on the list, but it's on my way back. Da, 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 da. Who cares? Was he the one? Oh, I don't have my phone. I wonder if he's the one who had the ALS. I do not know. I don't know. Daylight. I don't know, maybe. A Ford. He likes Fords. I don't know, do people even do that? These computer speakers? This is why you guys don't do anything that I do. Are they? Good morning! Are these computer speakers?
Yeah.
Do they work?
Yeah.
Huh? Oh, wait. Doesn't take much to make my day. We just got a, what's it called? A projector. And we can't hear, like, we can hook it up to the computer, but the volume for the computer is so low that it doesn't really matter that you have this huge screen. You can't see anything anyway.
Huh.
I mean, you can't hear it anyway. So then you're stuck reading subtitles, and no one wants to watch subtitles.
I hate when that's on there.
Right, right. It distracts it, and then I don't have time to read it anyway.
Yeah, it's too fast.
Right. So maybe these will work. Did they go nice and loud?
Yep, that's
Yeah.
the better set of the two.
Oh, I just liked them because they were all one solid. This looks like I have to dust it more. I don't want to dust it.
But I got pre-dusty too.
Fair enough. Fair enough. And this thing goes to a Ford, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It says it on the back.
Oh, okay.
Ford van. I think that's E, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
that's the E is the van, the corner van.
Oh.
Pretty much any Ford, as long as it fits in the.
Right, right. As long as the space is. I like it. How much for these?
I think $5 is good for the whole lot.
She's the money. Oh, you're a smart man. I just got married on Sunday, so I hope my husband's like that. What are you painting?
God bless America.
Oh, beautiful.
I just sold
Beautiful.
2 flags and a USA sign I did.
Really?
Yeah.
That's
Actually,
awesome.
3 flags and 1 sign.
Yep.
But I
What-
got tired of doing the stars, so I figured I'd do something else.
Fair enough. That must be very tedious.
It is.
Very tedious. Worth it in the end, but very tedious.
Right.
So I don't blame you for. That's awesome. Beautiful day to be out with it too.
You better damn well on my bike, but
Oh, if you're on the bike,
can't make any money doing that.
fair enough. You got to do this first, and then you get to be on the bike. That's the reward. Yeah. Well, I wish you the best of luck. I hope you get on your bike. I hear it's supposed to be better and better throughout the weekend.
Yeah.
Yeah. If he does good, you should let him on the bike tomorrow.
Go.
No?
I said, yeah, you can go.
Oh, there you go. There you go. Well, have a good one. Thank you so much. What's that picture? Ooh, ooh.
Like to step up on something a lot taller.
Boy, Dad.
He's like 4'8". No, he's like 4'8".
He's not 4'8". He's shorter than me.
Go back.
She wore them once. And 50 cents each.
This is not a good day.
Me too. I was just wondering. I don't like the body of
Easton.
I actually just found that up.
On my phone again.
Go.
Oh, that's cool. This thing goes into a table. We do not camp enough for that lifestyle.
More of the bigger stuff. Where'd it go? You know, if I slow down, I might get there faster, right?
Yeah, wait, what's the for, Lori?
What's that?
What are you looking for?
There's another box that has more, has scanners in it and all kinds of older. I don't think so. I think all the stuff got taken out from up back.
Okay.
So it might be down here. I some of those boxes, or that one I think is just crafts, Jason.
Yep, just gonna start looking through about now.
So just kind of poke through those boxes for me.
Hello.
Hi, how are you today?
Good, and you?
Well, thank you. I want to apologize. Not everything is priced. We were cleaning out 35 years worth of stuff in 1 month, so
You're good.
make an offer if you
You're
see
good.
something. You can buy the property too. I know, that's what I said.
Salisbury Auto Salvage, it's Sunday.
You know what? I think it might be on the 4th.
Be sure to check out their new website, SalisburySalvage.com. That's SalisburySalvage.com.
This is such a place for Ryan. Good morning. Okay. Paper dominoes. A picture frame. It's like a little crafty area here. I like this guy. These look very interesting. Would he kill me? Possibly. But we marry now. My mistakes are his mistakes. He says yes to the faces.
All those plastic dishes are gone.
For these? Woo.
Mask are $1 each.
These? Yeah, I sent a picture to my husband. He wants these. More his style than mine. I just want these. I want these ones. Where did you get them, the masks? Do you remember?
No. I always thought they were nice, but they never sold in the barn for some reason.
Yeah.
I thought
They look
were
like Indian or
like
something.
Navajo or something.
Yeah.
That's what I thought. They were nice quality.
Yes. They're nice and heavy. You can tell that they're
Yeah.
well made. They're not
Yeah.
plastic.
No, they're ceramic. Why they didn't sell for $4 each, I don't know.
Mm.
But we had them in the barn for a couple of years. Can't keep everything.
Right, right. Oh, I hear you. I hear you. My husband and I just bought a house, so it's our decorating now.
Oh. Well, this is the way to do it if you're trying to save a buck.
Yep, yep. Hey, sometimes it makes your style more unique, or
That's right.
you don't even realize the things you like and not. But I took a picture of him, and he said, "Get them." And I said, "Them," and he goes, "Both." How much
Tell me
are?
you got good taste like you do.
No. How much are these?
They're $1 each.
$1 each. Let me see. Can I give you these for now? For
Okay.
just a moment. I don't have them here to help me. I'm sorry.
Alright.
I'm used to having an extra set of hands. So I'm gonna get 2 of these.
Okay. Well, keep holding it if you want to keep looking. Or
No, I think I'm good.
you're good. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Color 4.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
What's this?
That's his
camera?
little camera. Yes. He's usually the one with that. I have a bag in here, and a little IKEA bag. So if I get to find a bunch of stuff, I get to use that. He told me to just bring his backpack instead of separating everything. I don't know. His thing.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You as well.